Well, welcome. Today is Tuesday, and this is Tip Tuesday, where I give you a tip each week here on Facebook about your home, business, or life and getting it completely organized. So stay with me today, guys, because we've got a cool product and a tip that I hope you parents could implement in your home during this new phase called the education at home phase. So today's tip is a product that I've used for a long time. Love this product. It originally came in just a surface with a pillow bottom. And from that point, I have seen them have legs and have compartments. And this is probably nothing new to you, but I want to show you some things to look for and a really good repurposed way to use this in the future when the education phase is all over with. Love this. For example, you open it up here and guess what we have inside? We have storage solutions, enough for pencil, paper, notepads, markers, things like that the kids will need. This comes really in handy when the education space in the home might be changing. Dad's got a conference call, someone's popping over and the kid needs a quiet space. And if you don't have something permanent set up, this is a great alternative. They can take their computer with them, or if they don't need the computer, they can just take this. And what happens is when you close it down, look what else. Bonus feature. Are you seeing this? Are you totally seeing it? Because this is pretty cool. And then it has this handle right here that they can just take with them. And like, where am I going to educate at today? Oh, this is great. I'll just set up my whole system here and get my supplies on your lap, on the table, on the floor. It's awesome. One thing I want you to look for, not only the compartment inside, but the collapsible legs, is some place to hold a pencil or a pen up here. Because what's going to happen, depending on the surface, they're going to lay it and it's going to roll off. And I'm thinking ahead, the pencil getting, stuck in the couch cushion, the pen getting pen ink on the couch or the sheets. So have a little slot up here for their writing utensil. I think that will help keep it front and center when they're laying it down and not using it. But let's think a little bit now into the future when we're not educating at home. We're actually going back into the classroom. Is this now just going to be a fixture in maybe that they use for homework? Could be, but let me tell you how else I would use it. These are great for road trips, whether they're an hour, whether they're 30 minutes, whether they're a few hours, whatever. This is great because each of the kids could have one in the car, stay busy with whatever they want to stay busy with, drawing, games. Look at that. This is crazy. And then when you're stopping to get out and get a bite to eat and everyone needs to move around and climb over seats and stuff, guess what? Everyone puts theirs down and they can stack I'm just telling you, this is a great tool to have for road trips with kids of any ages. And even adults may find this useful for in the car, of course, when you're not driving, right? We're all on the same page there. Okay, so there you go. I love this. You can get these at office supply stores, Michael's, Targets, Walmart's, Amazon. There's no lack of finding them. It's what you want to look for is a good handle, being that it's collapsible, some good storage space inside, and some kind of pen up here, some kind of little holder area for a pen or pencil that can go into. So love this tip, and hopefully you will too. So let's talk about our July giveaway. So if you've been following us on Facebook, you know that Tip Tuesday every week, we let you make comments and share all of our Tip Tuesdays for the whole month. Well, we collect those and we look at those at the end of every month. And the person, not necessarily the person, we tally up basically how many times you've shared, how many times you've commented. And then we put them into like a drawing thing and we say, okay, guess a number and that number wins. And this month, for the month of July, we picked a lady named Sherry. Can't pronounce her last name, but Sherry, you made a great comment on our Tip Tuesday, and we're going to be sending you these. This is called Instant Swivel Wheels. They stick on the bottom of file cabinets or furniture. They hold up to 250 pounds. No tools needed. They are a great product as seen on TV and in the Container stores. I have seen them, and we're going to be mailing these out to you because you took time to leave a comment on our Tip Tuesdays in July. So congratulations. Now for the month of August, we're going to be giving away one of these. Take it in, one of these. You're going to get to pick the color you want. I don't even actually know how many colors it comes in, but I know it comes in other colors. You're going to be able to pick the color you want, and we'll have it shipped to your home. Now, if you don't have any kids, you may not want this. You may not even could use it, but remember, you can still use it in passenger seat, wherever. Put this on your laptop on top of it in the passenger seat. I'm telling you, it's going to change your world traveling. However, you can use this as a gift. Christmas is coming up soon, so take it all in, make comments, share all or any of our Tip Tuesdays in the month of August. That means this one and any of them coming up in August. And at the end of August, we'll look at see who's done that and enter you into the drawing, and we'll announce it the first week of September. I'm so excited. So this is what we're giving away. Again, you get to pick your colors. And I hope you will check these out. Incredible. And again, look at reviews. I'm a very big review person. Most people are, but I'm not looking at just the stars. I'm reading the comments and making sure how they use them, the function, the durability of them. And this one is a rock star. So, well, I am Lorraine Brock, owner of Get Organized, giving you tips each week here on Tip Tuesday. And thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week on Tip Tuesday.